This video will walk you through how to set up your Lumio for this lesson. Step one is to click on the link. It may prompt you, if you've never signed into your account, it may prompt you to sign in using your Microsoft credentials. Do not use Google, use Microsoft. Next, you're going to click Save to My Library. You will then get an option to edit or start. Go ahead and click Start. This will allow you to preview the pages within this Lumio. If you're new to Lumio, you'll notice that it's exactly like Smart Notebook. The difference is that your students can now connect to your presentation, and there will be opportunities for you to turn it over to them and their learning. So let me walk you through a few of the elements related to how to utilize your Lumio. First up here, this is going to give you options if you want to do any editing, making a copy, and so on. This little guy is going to be important for you. In the teacher directions, you will find where you're asked to click the head, and you'll move it from teacher-led to student-led. Once your students join using the Clever link and sign in using your class code, you will see their names appear here. This means you're in charge. As you turn the page, it will turn the page for the students as well. When we want the students to be in charge, you will simply click on this, Students in Charge, and now they can move through the pages on their own. Time up, move it back to teacher, now you're in charge again. You'll see over here are some of the resources that you will have. You can go ahead and write on things or highlight. This allows you to erase. You can add more text if you like. And this is a new feature that's available for both you and your students that it will allow it to read to it. Notice that it becomes blue. When you click on it, it opens up the immersive reader and allows it to be read to any student that needs it to be read to. Going over here, this little plus mark, if I wanted to add an additional whiteboard because I want to add something else to this lesson pages, feel free. Moving here moves me to the different components or the different pages in Lumio. Once you hit page 8, you'll give the directions. Students will be assigned a region to research and fill out the graphic organizer. You will decide how much time will they have to work today, and you will then come over here, turn it to student-led, and you go from there. The only other last-minute thing that you'll need to know besides moving through these are a couple other things. When you get to the part where you want to review the correct answers, I have these locked right now so that the students can't go in and unlock them. What you'll want to do is before it's time, the students have already filled out all their graphic organizers, it's time for you to do a review, make sure they have all the correct answers. You're simply going to come over here and you're going to click Edit. And then here you're going to unlock it. And unlocking it allows you, and then click Finish Edit. And unlocking it just simply allows you to move this out of the way. It's important that we keep it locked because students could easily, when they're on their own, move to this section and you won't want them to do that. The last thing I want to make sure you know and understand how to do is there is a fun monster quiz at the end. There are 10 questions about the key ideas and key important components from this main lesson. And it's kind of like a Kahoot. It'll start, you simply start, the questions will appear on the student's computer. You will start to see the monsters trying to break out of their cages. And when everybody is done in answering, you'll award the team that has the most accurate and done the quickest to be the team winner.